I've got a superpower. And it's not flying, being invisible, or being able to eat cheese buns for breakfast and dinner while not gaining a single pound. Nope. But I can turn the scariest trading terms into crystal clear concepts that even a toddler could giggle at. So if you've got more common sense than my ex-boyfriend's new hairstyle, let's decode today's trading term together and turn those confusing charts into child's play. Welcome to Carbon Trades, where we believe trading isn't just for the Wall Street wizards, but for everyone, including you, sitting in your pajamas, dreaming about a new car, or maybe a vacation in Bali, or maybe you have a yearning for just being able to travel and live abroad while earning money. Well, I'm here to show you that financial freedom isn't a fancy myth filled with big words. It's totally achievable. Every video I make is a step away from the endless grind and a step toward helping you to buy back your time. Yes, even those times you spent in those boring meetings or that job thinking about what you'd rather be doing. If this video popped up in your feed, it's no coincidence. It's a nudge from the universe saying, hey, there's so much more out there for you. So hit that subscribe button and give us a like if you're ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even change your life with trading. Now let's break down some of those tricky trading terms together and start building the life you've always wanted, one investment at a time. Today's term, trading. What is trading after all? Well, as you're about to witness, no matter who you are, grandma, gamer, or future millionaire, I've got something for you. So let's make trading as simple and as fun as possible. And tonight, I'm bringing you a special episode right from our dinner table, which has just witnessed a spectacular flight of spaghetti, courtesy of my little sister Dylan's culinary curiosity. So as I'm scraping pasta off the Wall Street Journal, it strikes me. This chaos is not unlike the trading floor. Trading is about navigating through a mess of information and making the best decisions. You see, trading isn't just something that people in fancy suits do. It's something we all can relate to in one way or another. So I turned to Nana. I says, Nana, remember when you attended that vintage fair and spotted that underpriced, exquisite hand-woven rug? Well, most people walk past it, but you saw its worth. You bought it. You brought it home, cleaned it up, and later sold it for 4 times the price at a boutique shop. That is trading. Recognizing value where others see none, seizing the opportunity, and making a profit from your insight and effort. And she laughed and she goes, well, I suppose it's just like finding a rare pearl in an oyster at the seafood market. I've been trading treasures all my life without knowing it was called trading. I always knew those garage sales were more than just a hobby. Safely say, I think Nana gets it. Next, I turn to the 10-year-old and I'm like, hey, Dylan, imagine trading is like when you're playing your online games and you trade virtual goods. Let's say you have an exclusive in-game helmet that everyone wants. Before its popularity explodes, you trade it for several rare items that you know are undervalued. Within weeks, those items double in value at the game's marketplace. That's exactly what traders do with stocks. They buy and sell based on predictions about what will become more valuable. So Dylan says, so trading is pretty much like swapping my game gear at the right time to level up fast. It's all about knowing what everyone else will want tomorrow. That kid is smart. She gets it. From the eldest generation, guys, to the youngest, they understand what trading is on a simple level. So now I turn to Bobby, who's in college, and he's into anything poker and technology. And I say, hey, Bobby, let's not forget your angle. It's like being at a high-stakes poker table. You watch the market, waiting for the perfect moment to buy shares in a startup you believe is the next best thing. Then, as their technology takes off and the stock's value skyrockets, you sell your shares for a massive profit. It's all about strategy, timing, and a bit of bravery. He nods and he goes, that makes it clear. It's like playing the market as a chess game where every move is calculated to bring me closer to that yacht and maybe even that private jet that I've always wanted. It's all about playing the long game and making my moves count. You know what? Bobby got it too, y'all. As we finished our meal and reflected on tonight's unexpected lesson, it's clear that trading isn't just about transactions on a screen. It's about making informed decisions, whether in a market, at a yard sale, or even within a virtual world. Each trade is a step toward mastering the art of value exchange. Now, let me ask you something. Have you traded in real life recently and didn't realize it? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to engage and share insights. And if you've enjoyed this blend of culinary chaos and financial wisdom, or it's giving you some value, why not like, hit that bell, and subscribe so the algorithm continues to bless you with the content that really helps to break this down so simple that you can grab a piece of financial freedom. And remember to save this video so that you can grasp this easy trading concept later on if need be. Until next time, till freedom, peace, Carbon family.